Welcome back. So this is my folks 72 El Camino Super Sport we're building for them. I actually drove it over here. It was a running driving deal. Had a 350 with a 4-speed. I think it was an old cast iron Saginaw deal. And we're actually building this for my mom. She doesn't drive manual transmission. This is the original color. So can't really see it too well there, but it's code 57 golden brown, kind of a unique color. Wasn't sure I was gonna like it. Now that I see it on it, it's actually quite the nice color in my personal opinion. So it's a bit of a resto mod. Got a good deal on a guy that was changing his interior to black. 1970 El Camino, so the color's not 72 correct. It's a 70 pattern. Work in progress. Got a round gauge dash, brand new with Dakota Digital VHX series gauges going in it. It is factory AC and power steering. We converted it to disc brakes. Can't really see behind the wheel. Maybe you can. Put all new A-arms. This is an ATK Gen 5 big block, 454, 40 over. It's about 10.5 to 1 static by what I measured. AFR 265 fully CNC'd heads. It's basically waiting on me to put the push rods and guide plates in. It's getting Holley Sniper EFI. Got it. Just need to install it. Got the EFI tank with the in-tank pump. So these are, had to build our own shroud, but these are 98 to 02 F-body dual electric fans that'll be fired by the Holley. This is a serpentine drive. I think it was off like a 93 or 4 Chevy G30 1-ton van. Just some mild upgrades. We're not going crazy with it. My dad's not really a fan of big wheels with the rubber band tires, as he says. Went with original style wheels. I had some left over from my car, so I gave him 5 so he'd have them. The bed, as you can see, has kind of been a dump bin. So got some nice Smith Brothers push rods for when the time comes. I tried to order a couple other different brands and waited months. Couldn't get them because of the shortages. Called Smith Brothers, had them in 5-6 days, I think, and they're on the other coast. This is one thing, it's not a big deal, but I'm just not really a huge fan on with these AFR heads. And usually I really like their stuff. 2-piece adjustable push rods. It's not going to be super hard, but it's just kind of tedious and a pain in the butt. So again, I'm not really thrilled about that. Still have to drill the holes for the trim. This is a brand new tailgate. It did get full quarters. Somebody had kind of done a patchwork quilt deal on them previously, and they just were really hacked up. So floors were good in it. Didn't require much work to fix those. They drilled some extra holes for the aftermarket bucket seats, but other than that, nothing major. If you can see that, rebuilt 400 turbo. It's got a, I think, a 2600 stall. Gonna put a 2.5-inch system on it with an X pipe and some turbo mufflers. Again, not really going out of hand, out of control. I've got some detail work to do on this too. Somebody's kind of booger welded some stuff here in the frame. I need to find out why and grind that smooth and possibly cut some stuff off. We'll see when I get it, again, when I get it on the lift. It does have a 12-bolt Bozzy rear from the factory. That's 2 series with 273 gears. I've got another rear end just like it. I've got to pull the guts out of it. It's 307 with a 2 Series posi. That's got to come out. It's going to get a brand new Eaton 3 Series and 342 ring and pinion. Shouldn't be screaming on the highway too bad with 342s and the tire height we've got. But this is just for them to kind of bop around town in and go to cruise nights. They're in their late 60s, early 70s, so the engine's kind of overkill, really. But it's what they wanted. So it's got a ZZ502HO camshaft, and it actually got that one when they were still around $200 before they went out of sight. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just like I said, it's waiting on me to do the push rods, and I need to help my dad get in here and put the dash in, finish up the vacuum lines and some wiring so we can get the gauges and everything in. But this is another one that needs to go on the lift to get cleaned underneath and build the exhaust system, yada yada. But I'm a little bit biased, but I think it's coming out really nice for a kind of backyard garage built car. The stripes, I will say, family friend painted this. We've already had the discussion. They're incorrect on the width. When it's running and drive, I'm just going to take it over to them and have them sand it down and reshoot it. They are good here, but they should probably be about to there. It's not the same spot on the car, but if you look at my car, mine are correct, and you can see how much closer together they are. So than that. But let me know what you think. There'll be some more updates as soon as we get back to work on it. I'm kind of hopping around between some other projects here. I've got that LS swapped International Scout. That's a customer job. My dad also has a 63 Chevy 2 Nova here we're working on. Into those 2 covers are 2 more of my Chevelles that I haven't touched in a while because I've just been so busy with other stuff. And rehabbing a mid-2000s GMC 4-wheel drive truck. Had some rust issues. Had to find rust-free body panels. Not everything was black like the truck, so we've had to sand down that stuff and paint it. But at any rate, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Thanks.